Everyone, Amtrak on CSX Reunion. We got Amtrak, Lakeshore 48, close to like 11:56. Seems to be might be going a little bit slow here, but it should be motoring up.
Equipment defect detector. Milepost 313.7. Track 2.
Woo! Awesome catch. The catch this limited was at Heritage Unit again. Sorry, it's still not in the lead. But it's good to see it again. Amtrak Heritage 46. He had on him, led by 109. And then I also caught on this Heritage Unit on this limited, like, I caught it like, think like, yeah, 5 or 4 other times as well. So but it's good to see it back out again.